I'm Calli Brannan with the Wayne County, Michigan State University Extension Office, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make black bean and sweet potato quesadillas.
As a quick note, I did wash my hands and all of the produce used in this video before filming. First things first, we're going to chop up half an onion. Make sure you keep your fingers bent while cutting to be safe. Next, add in half a can of black beans. Any brand will work, and the lower the sodium, the better. Now I'm going to get some spices to spice things up. Add in about a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a little onion powder for fun, and as much cayenne pepper as you want for some extra spice. Mix all that goodness together and then go ahead and grab a lime. Slice it in half and add the juice to your mixture. Make sure to get it all out so your mix is nice and juicy. Now we're heading over to the cooking side. Cook your mixture in a little oil on medium heat until the onions are translucent, making sure to stir a lot through the cooking process. As your mixture is cooking, grab your pre-cooked sweet potato, cut it in half, and scoop out the insides with a spoon. I had just recently cooked mine and it was super hot, so I had to hold it with a hot pad. It gets the job done though. Once it's all scooped out, add your cooked beans and onions to the bowl and mix the two together, mashing up the potato in the process. Once it's all mixed, it is time for the cheese. Any brand of a low-fat Mexican blend will work. You can add as much or as little as you like. I added about 3/4 of a cup. Mix it up, and then you're going to add it to one side of the tortilla. Once your tortilla is all filled up, fold it in half and throw it on a lightly oiled pan to cook both sides to a nice golden brown. This is when you'll really start to notice the cheese melting and all those good smells. Once it's cooked, you're all set to enjoy your delicious quesadilla.